This is going to be a video review of the Oral-B FlossAction brush head. FlossAction. So if you check out my channel, I posted a video about a week ago, and I talked about how I have always used the Precision Clean. I can't remember the other one that they sell. I don't know if it's the FlossAction. I don't think it is. It's the Precision Clean, and there's another one that they sell at Costco. And I just wasn't happy with the Precision Clean. My checkups are really good, but over time it just feels like the Precision Clean maybe is not doing as good as I want it to do. I used to have the Sonicare, and I gave up on that. Check out my last video, and you can see where I had the Sonicare, and when the batteries died, and I didn't want to go take out a Dremel tool and break the whole thing apart to replace the batteries. Also, check out my channel if you have one of these Oral-B's and the battery dies. I did a video on how to change out the battery on this model and the older model. And I'm also going to be doing a video review of the new Oral-B toothbrush that I just picked up for Black Friday. And it's got, what does it have? The bacteria guard. I don't know what any of that means, but check out my channel if you're interested in that. That's coming up in a couple days. So I was using the Precision Clean, and I just wanted to try a different brush and see if there was something better for me. Mainly, as I had said, I would brush my teeth for about 5 minutes, and then I would use the floss. So you would think that everything would come out, and then if I'd swish water in my mouth, there was still things stuck between my teeth that only, well, the floss should have removed it, but only what am I thinking of, a water pick would take out. So that's when I went on my search to find something better, and I went online, and lots of people say this FlossAction is like the ultimate brush. Supposed to be really good. The reviews were incredible on this. So, all right, I went out online. I bought a 3-pack of FlossAction, and that's when I did my video a couple days ago. This is the FlossAction over there. And after I used it, my teeth felt really good. They definitely felt clean. But you never know, you know? And I was in search to see if there was something else. And while I was at Costco during the Black Friday sale right after Thanksgiving, they had the FlossAction, and a lot of people not only said that they love the FlossAction, but they also love the FlossAction. So I went out and I bought this 9-brush package, and after I bought it, that's when I opened up my medicine cabinet and said, oh wow, who knew that I already had 2 of these sitting in there that I had never tried, never used it, never opened the package. Oops, that came with the brush. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be putting on the FlossAction and taking off the FlossAction. That's a lot of action there. And I'm going to test it out and see what I think of the FlossAction. And I learned from the last video, don't try to talk while the thing is in your mouth. I guess women would say don't do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch out the brush head, and I'm going to rinse out my mouth, and I'm going to go live with the brushing, and maybe I'll talk, or maybe I'll turn it off and give you my comments, my thoughts while I'm doing it, and I will let you know if I'm happy with the FlossAction. I better be, because with 9 brush heads of that, and 8 brush heads of the Precision, which I will be happy when that's gone, and 3 of the brand new FlossAction, I have so many brushes. This is going to take me a couple years to go through. All right. Always good to have oral hygiene, a good oral hygiene program. So let me switch this thing out. Hey. Remember, thumbs up, subscribe, or a like. If you love my channel and you want to donate, ask for my PayPal info. If there's a product you want me to review, let me know. And if I can get a hold of it, I will do that and post it on my channel. So let me go, sorry about some of the toothpaste residue over there, but that's just how it is. So I'm going to put this on a tripod right now, and we will do the review. What am I thinking? Why would I want to rinse out my mouth if I'm going to try to do a review to see if the toothbrush is working, or the brush head? I should be rinsing out the new brush head, but I would hope, oh, that popped on there very nicely. I would hope that they put these together in sanitary factories. So, that is the brush. Not sure why it is called, oh, check that out. Look at that. Look at these little things. I don't know if any of this stuff matters. It's flapping back and forth. See the little yellow pieces? I don't know what they do. I don't know if any of this stuff really matters or if it's just all hype. But I love the toothbrush, and my prophylaxis appointments have been excellent since I started using Oral-B. So I'm just going to keep the camera on. I'm going to pop this sucker in my mouth and move it around, up and down, left and right, in and out, and around town. And we'll see. I just ate turkey and stuffing. Moving my tongue around, and there's definitely some stuff that needs to be removed from my teeth. So let's test this out while the camera goes on, and we'll see what happens. Here we go. Wow. I'll shut it off right away. I can tell you, well, obviously, this is a huge brush head. It feels like a big brush head. Maybe it isn't. Maybe it's the same size. I don't know. It just feels like there's a lot of bristles in there. Let's get this back in the mouth. Okay. All right. And look who's here. My rescue dog the rescue dog that always wants to be in every single review that I do. I just love her. All right. Hey, sweetheart. Oh, you're so beautiful. I just love you. Yes. Oh, just walked away. Okay. I just did the inner bottom. It really feels like this is much bigger, even though it probably isn't. It feels like there are a lot of bristles, a lot more bristles than the other one. Maybe not. I don't know, but I'm moving the tip of my tongue around, and it feels good. Let me go in and finish off the brushing here, so you can listen to this for another minute and a half. Hey there. Hi, little lady. All right, while I'm doing this, you may as well look at the dog. There she is. That's my girl. Rescued her 15 months ago, so she wants to sit here and watch the video get recorded. Hi there. I love you. Aw, yes I do. Oh, yes I do. I know. Ah, so cute, so cute. Hi there, little girl. How's my little lady? How's my little girl? My little cookie zoo. Oh, you're so beautiful. Look at you. Yes, you are. So sweet. Ah, yeah, I know. You gotta clean your eyes. Okay. There we go. Wow. Okay, I said that about the FlossAction, but this thing's really got just a massive amount of cleaning power in it. No. She's right on my, trying to sit on my lap. This happens with every review that I do. Okay, so this feels really good. Let me turn off the camera, and I'm going to finish this off, and then I'll come back and give you my final comments. There she is. She will not leave me alone. She follows me all around. So, I just finished brushing with... No, this is not for you. I'm trying to brush her teeth, and she runs into her doghouse when I try to put the toothbrush anywhere near her mouth. It's a struggle. Maybe one day I'll be able to deal with that. Maybe I should be using an Oral-B on her. All right, what a thought. So, what is my opinion, of the FlossAction compared to, well, I already said the Precision Clean I've been using. I've got I think this is my last package. I used to, I bought 2 of these. I had 16 of them. Every few months I change the brush head out, and I give one to my mom and one for me. And I'm not going to buy the precision head anymore. I just am not happy with it. And as I said, I bought the FlossAction online last week when I did my review. And I thought that that was the ultimate brush for me, and I was going to be really happy with it. And now, just by chance, I go to the internet and do a review or do some searching and find out people really like this FlossAction. So like I said, I bought this 9-pack, and then I found that I had 2 of these in the medicine cabinet. And I try this thing out, and this is going to be after I'm finished with all of these. And I'm usually a kind of person that says, don't stall in life, don't wait, get rid of these things, throw them out, and use what you want. But I'll use all of them after I finish with the Precision Clean and the FlossAction. I also have the inner, there's an inner plaque or an inner something, which is just a few bristles made to go around the teeth for periodontal things. I haven't even tried that. But after I finish all this stuff out, I'm just going to be sticking with the FlossAction. I could be wrong, but it feels like there are more bristles on here than on the other brushes. It feels like the head is bigger, even though it probably isn't. It definitely feels like this is a much firmer bristle. It's a much firmer brush head than the others. And I could be wrong on that also, but it just felt like when I put this in my mouth and had this against my teeth, there was a lot of action happening. There was a lot of cleaning taking place, a lot of rotation, polishing, and I'm moving my teeth around, right? I mean, my teeth. I'm moving my teeth. I'm moving my tongue around right now. And like I was saying, even with brushing with this thing, this cleans the teeth. This does not clean the mouth. I still have a bunch of stuffing and, well, I was going to say stuffing and stuff. I still have a bunch of stuffing in my mouth, and I'm going to have to rinse my mouth out and do the flossing, and I'd probably do the irrigation, maybe a floss machine, a water pick type thing. But this is going to be my brush of choice after it is all said and done. Why do people say after it's all said and done? After all of these are used, that's what I want to say. This is going to be the brush that I think is the best. What do the others say? The Precision says tooth by tooth cleaning. The FlossAction says perfectly angled to get deep in between teeth. The FlossAction just says nothing. Just says FlossAction. And with that, this is the brush that I like the most, the brush head that I like. So thanks for watching. Again, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. It totally helps me out as a creator. And check out my other videos about the other brush heads, and also do the search on the Oral-B, the video review that I did for the FlossAction. And if you have one of these things, this one or the older model, I show you how to go in there. This one, I show you how to take the thing apart and put a new battery in. The older model, I show you how to tear it down and put in a new battery. And with the newer one that I bought, as I said, I will be doing a review on that coming up this week. Thanks for watching. And there it is, Oral-B FlossAction.